Hello everyone, this is Himanshu, and first of all, I'm very thankful to each and every one of you. We recently hit 1000 subscribers on our channel, and it's a very great achievement for me because I never thought I could do this 1 year back. I think I never thought I could achieve it, but with all your support, we recently hit it, and I'm very thankful to each and every one of you. And I would like to, thank everyone for supporting and believing in me, and I hope I was able to provide some value to each and every one of you, and I'm very happy and grateful to every one of you. And today we are going to discuss about all the websites, all the sites, and all the YouTube channels that you can refer for your exam preparation if you are a first year student in Thapar Institute of Engineering and Technology, Patiala or Deravasi. So you can just refer these channels, YouTube channels and sites, and you can just do your exam preparation. Of course, these might be helpful for you because it helped us in our first year, so they might be helpful for you as well. So without further ado, let's just start the video, and make sure you subscribe the channel and like the video if you found the content useful. And yeah, let's just start. So guys, the first source that we are going to talk about is the site called as MyHarupa. So let me type it, MyHarupa. So you can just open this site and you will see this, and for first year you can just click on first year. This site basically has all the notes, all the previous year papers, all the syllabus and other details for all the subjects. And it's not just for first year, it's for second, third and fourth year as well. So you can just click on first year if you're a first year student, and you can just click on your branch, or you can just say pool A and pool B. So pool A has these subjects. You can just see that some people might have these subjects in second semester as well, some might have in first semester. And pool B has these subjects again. So you can just click on any subject. For example, let me click on electrical. So you can just see that this website provides all the information about this subject. For example, the course site, the syllabus, the books, lab manual, the notes and slides, the tutorials and tutorial solutions as well. So for example, if you want to get any tutorial solution, you can just refer this site as well. And this also has video lectures and previous year papers as well. So if you want some previous year papers, you can just refer this page, and you can just click on the previous year papers, and you can just solve them for your practice before exams. And you can just see other things as well. For example, tutorial solutions, all the tutorial solutions you can just see, and the syllabus and books and lab manual. Basically it has all the stuff. So you can just download the books as well, the online PDF books you can just download from this site as well. So it's a very beneficial site. You can just click on other subject, for example computer science. So this also has all the necessary details, for example the previous year papers and all the other things. So you can just refer these things. So yeah, this was about MyHarupa website. You can just calculate your GPA, basically your CGPA and all the things, other things as well. For example, you can also get Wi-Fi's and passwords for Thapar University, holiday calendar, foods and restaurant. Basically it has all the details about Thapar University. So this is the one place you can just go. So this is the one place you can just go and find all the details for your college and studies. So yeah, it's a great site. So we are going to talk subject wise. So for example, if you talk about mathematics 1, so you all might have mathematics 1 or mathematics 2 in your syllabus. So the best channel for your mathematics 1 is the Brill Maths. So you can just type it math. So this is the best channel for mathematics. So you can just refer this channel. So she's a ma'am from our college only, and her name is Dr. Jitinder Deep Kaur, and she just teaches in an amazing way. We all referred her channel during our exams, and it helped us a lot. So this is a great channel. So you can just refer this channel. And if you are in first year, you can just go to the playlist, and you can just go to various chapters, for example these chapters, and you can just open the playlist and see all the videos. And yes, these are very beneficial. And ma'am also uploads various tutorial solutions that you might have. So you might also get tutorial solutions, and all the things are beneficial. So you can just refer this channel for mathematics. It's more than enough for your exams. So let's talk about computer science. So I also told about it in one of my videos where I just told how to start programming and all the stuff. So there is a channel called as Code with Harry. So in first year you might have C or C++ language only. So you can just type Code with Harry C language, and there is a long video. You can just see there is a 15-hour long video. You can just refer this video, and we all referred this video during our exams, and it helped us a lot. So he just explains in a great way. So basically you can just learn any language from this channel, and he just explains in a great way, and he's a great teacher. So you can just refer this. For example, if I open this video, So in this video, if you go to the description, you will also find the various timestamps, so you can just refer these timestamps if you want to learn any particular chapter or any particular topic. So you can just refer it, and it's more than enough for exam, so you can just refer it. Otherwise you can just practice yourself from your online platforms, and yes, this is enough. Also for C++, you can just type C++ language here, and there is a playlist. So this playlist has 74 videos, and it also contains object oriented programming or OOPS. So you can just refer this playlist. You don't have to see all the videos, you can just see the topic wise videos, whatever you want, and you can just learn from it, and it's more than enough, and it's a great source. You can just refer this for computer science subject. Now let's just talk about the electronics subjects, electronics and communication, or electronics you can just say. So for electronics subject, I refer two channels during my exams. So the first channel was NISO Academy. So you can just type NISO Academy Digital Electronics. So this is a playlist, and you can also get analog electronics if you want. For digital, you can just view this playlist. So this playlist has all the topics for digital electronics, so you can just refer it topic wise. You don't have to see all the videos, you can just refer topic wise videos, and it's amazing. He also explains it in a great way. Otherwise, there is also another channel for electronics. You can just type tutorials point. For example, if I just search for a topic, for example KMAP, so she also explains in a great way. It helped us a lot during our exams, so it's also great channel for for digital electronics. So you can just refer this channel for your electronic subject, and basically you can just you can just see all the topics in this playlist, or you can just search by yourself. For example, I just search about KMAP, so you can just refer other topics as well. For example, combination circuits and other things. So you can just search topic wise as well, and you will get great videos. And yes, this will help you a lot in your exams. So you can just refer this channel for your electronic subject. Now let's talk about another important subject, or you can just say another subject, necessary subject, you can just say. For example, so let's just talk about another necessary subject that you might have in the first year, which is mechanics. So mechanics is a subject that many people fear from. So yes, for mechanics there is a channel from the faculty of the upper itself. So his name is Ashish Purohit. You can just type Ashish Purohit. So yes, he is a faculty member from Thapa University, and he was also our hostel warden for Hostel Amps. So we can just share for this channel. Basically, he just helped us a lot during our exams, and we got a lot of benefit. So yes, I would like to thank sir a lot for helping in our exams. And yes, of course, it was amazing. And of course, his videos are amazing. So you can just refer this videos. So basically, he has all the playlist for different subjects. For engineering mechanics, you can just type engineering mechanics, for example this playlist, and you will get all the things related to engineering mechanics, and basically all the things and all other stuff and all the topics. Otherwise you can just type the topic and type Ashish Purohit, and just type the topic name, and the video will come, and you will be needing all the videos. And he basically has all the videos that you might need for your exams, and this will help you a lot. So you can just refer this channel for mechanics, and it will be more than enough. So yes, that's it. So now let's come to the next subject, which is electrical engineering. So basically, I never referred any channel related to electrical engineering in my first year, because our sir was, great. So he explained it in a great way, although he skipped a few topics in the last, but overall he just taught in a great way. So I never found any need to study from YouTube. Otherwise, you can just search a channel called as B2B6. So basically, it's the channel that is made by our sir only. So yes, that's it. And you can just type B2B6. So yes, it's also a channel from Athabar faculty. So you can just refer this channel, and he basically uploads all the video lectures on this channel and all the other stuff as well. So you might have our lectures as well, our first year lectures on this channel as well. So yes, you can just refer this channel for your electrical engineering, and you can just practice other stuff. Basically it's more than enough, and basically it's enough for getting the concepts. Otherwise you can just practice yourself. And yeah, that's it. This is a great channel for electrical engineering. Now let's come to the other subject, which is engineering drawing. So you might have in your first or second semester. So there is a channel called as Trickles Academy. So you can just refer this channel for getting some basic amount of knowledge regarding engineering drawing and basically some of the initial topics of engineering drawing. So you can just refer this channel for getting some of the initial topics in engineering drawing, and he just explains in a great way. So yeah, it will be very beneficial. Otherwise you can just search yourself, and basically I referred a lot of channels, so basically I cannot just tell all the channels, but basically he was one of the but basically this was one of the great channels that I got during my preparation, and it was great experience. So you can just refer this channel for getting started with engineering drawing. Otherwise you can just type engineering drawing and search by yourself regarding any other topics. So yeah, that's it. Now let's come to the other subject, which is, you can just say, chemistry or EVS. So basically you don't have to search for these subjects. I never found the need to search for these subjects. Basically, for if I talk about the EVS, so the slides would be more than enough. So if I talk about environmental science subject, so you can just refer all the slides and it will be more than enough. And basically you can just refer some previous year papers and other things, and it will be more than enough for engineering, basically EVS, and that's it. And yes, and for chemistry I never found any need to search for any YouTube channels, but you can just search yourself from YouTube channels for any topic if you want. Otherwise the slides would be enough, and I think the slides have explained it in a great way, so you can just refer that. Otherwise you can just type the subject name and topic name and you can just search yourself, and that's it. I think these are the main channels and main subjects that you might have in your first year, and I hope this video helped you in some way in order to get some information about what YouTube channels you might want to refer for the exams and what sites you might want to refer. And I hope this video helped you. So you can just subscribe the channel and like the video if you enjoyed the content, and I'll see you in the next video. And once again, thank you very much for 1,000 subscribers, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you very much.